See how this goes. Definitely get this misfire. So the only thing I think is the points are open too far. Of course all that can be bothered up a dwell meter. So see how this goes. We'll put it into first gear and see if we'll get any more power at the bottom. Smooth enough. The misfire comes at, believe it or not, 3000 revs. Let's see going. Okay. No indication, that's great. Oh. Great, innit? They don't even look you. They're that frightened to look you in the face. Like, signal with your eyes where you're going. If you're not going to signal with your indicators.